Welcome to qnawire.
There are a total of 36 possible outcomes when rolling a pair of dice, and each corresponding to a unique combination of numbers from 1 to 6. Each outcome is equally likely to occur. Now, the sum of the numbers on the dice can range from 2 to 12. And there are there are different ways to obtain each possible sum. So, for instance, the only way to get a sum of 2 is rolling a 1 and a 1. So the probability of 2 is 1 out of 36. The probability of a 3, there's two ways to do it, a 2 and a 1 or a 1 and a 2, so that's 2 out of 36. Rolling a sum of 4 is 3 out of 36. A sum of 5, there are 4 ways to do it. A 6 is 5 out of 36. A 7 is 6 out of 36. An 8 is 5 out of 36. It's symmetric. A sum of 9, there are 4 out of 36. 10 is 3 out of 36. 11 is 2 out of 36. And to roll a sum of 12 is one way to do it. A 6 and a 6. And now we can calculate the expected payout for each possible sum. The expected payout for, you get paid $6 times the sum of the numbers that appear on the dice. So for a sum of 2, you get 12. A sum of 3, you would get $18. A sum of 4 would be 24. A sum that's equal to 5 is going to be worth $30. A sum that is equal to 6 is worth $36. A sum that is equal to 7 is $43. A sum that is equal to 8 is not $43. Be $42. A sum that is equal to 8 is going to be worth $48. A sum that is 9 is worth $54. A sum that is 10 is worth $60. A sum that is 11 is worth $66, and a sum that is 12 is going to be worth $72. We can calculate the expected value of the game by adding up all of these expected payouts weighted by their probabilities. So that would be, I'm just going to say it as I'm calculating it. That would be $12 times 1 out of 36 plus $18, which has a probability of 2 out of 36, plus $24, which had a probability of 3 out of 36, plus $30, which had a probability of 4 out of 36, plus 36, which has a probability of 5 out of 36, plus 42 times the probability of 6 out of 36, plus 48, which had a probability of 5 out of 36, plus 54, which had a probability of 4 out of 36, plus 60, which has a probability of 3 out of 36, plus 66, which had a probability of 2 out of 36, and then 72, which had a probability of 1 out of 36. So the expected value is $42. So is it a fair game if you have to do a $43 buy-in? Not fair because they're not equal.